7 baking soda face masks that remove wrinkles naturally. Wrinkles giving you a hard time? Imagine erasing fine lines with just one simple kitchen ingredient: baking soda. Today, I'll show you 7 powerful baking soda face masks that smooth wrinkles, brighten skin, and help you look years younger naturally. Baking soda isn't just for baking. It's a natural exfoliant that removes dead skin cells, unclogs pores, and promotes a brighter, smoother complexion. When combined with the right ingredients, it becomes a powerful, affordable wrinkle remedy you can do at home. Mask number 1. Baking soda and honey. This hydrating mask deeply moisturizes dry, mature skin while softening fine lines. Mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with 1 tablespoon of raw honey. Apply. Leave for 15 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Mask number 2. Baking soda and yogurt. Packed with lactic acid, this combo gently exfoliates, reduces wrinkles, and gives skin a youthful glow. Mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt. Apply for 10 minutes, rinse, and pat dry. Mask number 3. Baking soda and lemon juice. Perfect for age spots and dull skin. Lemon brightens, while baking soda smooths wrinkles. Mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with juice from half a lemon. Apply carefully, leave for 5 to 7 minutes, then rinse. Tip: avoid this mask if you have sensitive skin. Mask number 4. Baking soda and coconut oil. A luxurious mask that nourishes and smooths deep wrinkles. Mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Massage gently, leave for 15 minutes, then rinse. Mask number 5. Baking soda and aloe vera gel. Refreshing and soothing, great for mature, sensitive skin. Aloe hydrates while baking soda exfoliates. Mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Apply for 15 minutes, then rinse. Mask number 6. Baking soda and egg white. Egg whites tighten the skin, giving an instant lifting effect. Mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with 1 beaten egg white. Apply evenly, let it dry for 10 to 12 minutes, then rinse with cool water. Mask number 7. Baking soda and green tea. This antioxidant-rich mask fights free radicals that cause premature aging. Mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with 2 tablespoons of cooled green tea. Apply for 15 minutes, rinse, and enjoy smoother skin. Always patch test before applying any mask. Avoid open cuts or wounds, and limit use to 1 or 2 times per week. Remember, gentle care works best for mature skin. Which of these 7 masks are you excited to try first, honey? Coconut oil, or maybe the green tea mask? Comment below, I'd love to know. And if you want more natural anti-aging tips, don't forget to hit subscribe and tap the bell so you never miss a video.